Hey, yo.
Say pimps and playas, what it do? My name is Kesey and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make these creamy chicken and spinach stuffed shells. So let's get into it. First things first, we're gonna start off boiling them shells. And y'all know I like to add like a palm full of salt. And no, I'm not gonna leave it right there. Make sure the salt goes to the bottom of the pan. We don't need it stuck in one shell. And then you're gonna cover that. And now we're gonna go to our filling and start by melting down some butter. Then you can add your minced garlic and just saute that down. And remember to turn this down. Y'all know garlic burn quick. Then you can add your onions. And then just saute that down. Now you can add in your spinach. And I used the frozen spinach this time. It really don't matter, fresh or frozen, do you boo. So make sure you mixing this together real good because we about to transfer this into a bowl to add even more ingredients. So here's our new bowl. And here's our seasonings, our cheeses, the work sauce, a little cream cheese. So we're gonna start with that cream cheese, and this is the 8 ounce, so that's like a cup of cream cheese, and just, you know, stir it together real good. And I don't know why I always attempt to stir with these big ass spoons, but of course I can never do it. So let me go get my little tablespoon so I can really work this wrist. That's mixed well, you can start adding in your seasonings. And y'all know the seasonings I prefer, so we ain't even gotta talk about that. Then you can add in your work sauce. I say about a tablespoon, about a teaspoon of the ranch, and then add in your parmesan and your feta. And mix that together real good. After the taste test, I added some more feta, well, the rest of that feta, in my seasonings again. And just mix it together real good. And another taste test. If that's good, then you can move on to the next step. Start by sauteing some garlic. Then you can add in your onions. Saute that down. Then you can add in your mushrooms and saute that down. If it stops sizzling, just add like a little butter and then just saute that down. And then you can add a cup of chicken broth and then a cup of heavy whipping cream. And once that starts bubbling, you can add another cup of heavy whipping cream. And then you can add in your seasonings and use the same seasonings you used in the filling. Whisk that together real good. And I like to add like a teaspoon of cornstarch just to thicken up the sauce a little bit. Now you're ready to drain them noodles. Now moving on to the chicken. I already seasoned it and cut up the little chicken pieces. So I put a little oil in the pot and I'm just sauteing that down. So when that's finished, you can start stuffing them shells. And I like to start off with like 2 or 3 pieces of the chicken, and then add in the filling, and then like maybe 2 more pieces of chicken on top of that, and basically just keep doing that. And now you're ready to add your sauce and pour the sauce all over every single inch of these shells because it's gonna go in the oven. You just want to make sure it's fully saturated with your sauce. Oh, and make sure you have your oven preheated at 350. She's ready for the oven now.
20 minutes later.
And there we have it, some spinach and chicken stuffed pasta shells. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe.